they also contain that, and such noun clauses जो हैं they are reversible. अब उसको देख लेते हैं what does actually refers to. For example, it's well known that many residents of third world countries are dying, right? So if what does reversible means, you can readjust the sequence of the sentence, and the sentence yet makes sense, and it has a noun clause, for noun phrase. So अगर इस सेंटेंस में हमने just that clause को है अपना इसकी पोजीशन को adjust करें, so how does it sound like? Initially it's well known that many residents of third world countries are dying. So अगर हम इसको position को interchange करें, so that many residents of third world countries are dying is well known. So you just took out this very clause in the beginning and bring the first clause afterwards, and you just adjust the position, and the sentence yet did not lose the meanings. Note, if a sentence begins with a that clause, be sure that both clauses contain a verb. एक और important चीज़ जो just to have notice is, अगर आपका sentence that clause से start हो रहा है, so then you have to make sure कि आपके जो दोनों clauses हैं they should have their own independent verbs. Example देख लेते हैं. It surprises me that John would do such a thing, right? Or that John would do such a thing surprises me. So the first clause, this has its own verb followed by another verb, and when you are starting that clause in the sentence, you're starting the sentence with that clause, then this has its own verb do followed by another verb. So when you are starting your sentence with that clause, then you should that both clauses should have their verbs. Other examples to understand to grasp the whole understanding of the concept. It wasn't believed until the 15th century that the earth revolved around the sun. Now this is an independent, it's another clause with that clause, so bring that clause initially at the beginning, so that the earth revolves around the sun. Now this is the verb of this part. Wasn't believed until the 15th century, and this is the second verb. Another example, it's obvious that the Williams boy is abusing drugs, or that the William boy is abusing